I welcome you back to my channel today. So I'll be showing you how I make coconut chicken curry sauce. These are the main ingredients I will be using. Of course, salt and some seasonings will be added later. So here is my chicken. I'll be using chicken for this recipe. So in this tray I have fresh ginger and garlic, some carrots, Irish potato, Scotch bonnet pepper, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, white onion and red onion. Over there I have my coconut. I'll start by steaming the chicken. The rest of the preparations will be done off camera. I'm adding some bouillon cube, some chicken seasoning, white pepper, thyme, ginger and garlic powder, and some curry powder. Lastly, I'm not adding salt now because all these seasonings I added, they have salt. So I'll allow the chicken cook a little before I'll check for salt. I'm going to be mixing it up, then cover and cook without water to allow it to release its own juice. Of course, if you've been following me, you know that's my style. So these are ingredients, our vegetables, the coconut. As we are waiting for the chicken to cook, I'm going to go ahead to prep them off camera. There's no time. So guys, look at how doing. So at this point, I'll go ahead and add some water. Now taste for salt. It's actually okay. I'm not adding salt. So here are the vegetables I've sliced up, the carrots, the bell peppers. I'm going to season them and set aside. Allow it to rest while we continue our cooking. So I have very little oil here. I'm not just like frying the chicken or deep frying the chicken. I just want it to have these brownies on the surface. So just like toasting it, it will make the taste to it will enhance the taste of the chicken other than using it straight the way it is. So this is what we are looking for. This is what I'm looking for. I'll go ahead to take out some oil from this chicken stock to stir fry our veggies. Chopped ginger and garlic. I just introduced our white onion. Oh, the white onion is already the ginger and garlic with this white, as in the combination is mad. So I'm going to be adding, as in stir frying our. I'm going to be stir frying my chopped veggies, chopped and seasoned veggies. Guys, I use this method because it always gives a better result. This the veggies are stayed for like up to 30 minutes, so the whole flavor of the seasoning has really entered into it. Look at the water, like I seasoned with salt and bouillon cube, one bouillon cube. So definitely because of the salt, they release some water. Look at it, and the water itself is, as the taste is so unique. So I'm going to pour it into the sauce itself. I'm not going to add it to the pan. You just have to do this for like 2 minutes and we are done. We wouldn't want to, we wouldn't want the veggies to change color. Just 2 minutes, we are done. Actually, there is this one piece of meat that I didn't fry. I don't know why, maybe I forgot. So now I'll go in with our coconut milk. Wow, I just tasted it. This is so delicious. I'll be adding this chopped Scotch bonnet pepper. Cover and allow. So at this point, I allowed the pot to. Sorry, I didn't cover my pot completely because the coconut milk was bubbling and bubbling. So this is the Irish potato. I blended it raw. I did not boil it. You can boil yours before blending, whichever way. So I'll be adding it. It's serving as our thickener. If you don't want to use this, you can also use corn flour, but I prefer this because it's healthy. Irish potato. Guys, check out now. Cow what we have here. Check out what we have here. Check it out. So I'll cover it halfway. So this is what it looks like. I'll go in with some curry powder. I've tasted it needs a little more salt, but I'm not going to add salt because this dark soy sauce contains salt. Look at it. I'm using dark soy sauce and it contains salt, so I'll add it first, then to be sure that it's not much before I will add extra sauce if there is need. Wow, this is good. As in everything is, the whole flavors have come together. So here is the chicken we toasted the other time. I'm going to add them in. See how good this is looking, guys. Guys, if you've been making your chicken curry sauce without toasting your chicken this way, guys, you've been getting it all wrong. Try this method and thank me. Seriously, you will like it. The taste is out of this world. I'll finish it off with this our veggies, so fresh. Please, if you are watching till this moment, what are you waiting for? Help me and click the like button now. Like this video. Tell me you like this video in the comment section, and support this channel by clicking on the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Also turn on the notification so you can be notified each time I upload a new video. Guys, trust me, I will always bring as in unique recipes your way. I'm doing this now on a low heat, like on a low heat. So I will increase it a bit. So guys, that's how simple it is to make just coconut chicken curry sauce. So many. I hope you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up, drop your comment in the comment section, and subscribe if you are new to this channel. Please share the link to this video now. I know you love, I know if you try this recipe you will definitely like. Thank you so much. See you guys. Look what we have here. Bye. The heat is off now. It's just ready to be served.